Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel again, guys. And today, I will fire you the next Amazon. Excited, right, guys, for 2021. Today, I'm gonna talk over the top, e-commerce company that just went public IPO not too long ago, within this couple years or a couple months, and it's excited, right? What's the next Amazon? This is the interesting topic. You know, I want to know. I hope you want to know too. So uh, let's dive into the first e-commerce company that I want to talk about. It's called JMIA. So this one right here that everyone talk about it is the next Amazon in Africa. So if you never heard about it, and you know, and this company is all 100% operated in Africa, and Africa is a developing countries over there, that this company is dominating the market, and Amazon's not there, Alibaba is not there, all the huge e-commerce is not going in there because there's not enough infrastructure, or they don't have enough infrastructures, or or technologies to build a operation there. So this company is already established there for a couple for years already. So let's look into it. Let's look into it and what this company is about. Okay, guys, excited, right? I would want to get into the next Amazon. Okay, a lot of population in Africa, as everybody else know. Okay, so you know definitely there's a huge customer base there. You know, I'm gonna go into the most valuable informations on this investor presentation deck. As you can see, 70% of America, Africa's internet users are in those countries. Okay, guys. So right now, uh, so before JMIA, they used to having the same business strategy as Amazon. They hold their own inventories, they have their own product. So just recently they changed their strategy to like Alibaba strategy. So they just provide a platform to provide a a service for sellers to sell their products on their platform. So they save a lot of overheads, and they cut a lot of G&As this way. So I really love this, like this strategy for a startup, so that way that they don't have to burn that much cash. They want to maintain as low cost as possible. Also, they implement a JMIA Pay, so that's great, right? They add another fintech service like into their portfolio. So there's another revenue stream they can pull in revenues. Okay, look at this right here. They have so many partnership that is well-known brands like Coca-Cola's and Philips, Samsung's and HP. So it's pretty legit e-commerce. High loyalty and trust brands that they have, something that you really want to look into. Is it the customer is loyal? The brand is trusted. So they pretty much dominating. You see this right here, this Africa. They literally dominating the Africa, area. You see Alibaba's and Alipays, they dominating, China, and PayPal and eBay dominating the U.S. market, right? So so you see no one get into their territory right now. So that's big, guys. That's huge right here. So they talk a lot of things about Alipay, not Alipay, JMIA Pay. So this is also another reason that why they start recovering, because the JMIA pay, and also they have they have the gaming uh plan coming out. So okay, let's look at this this financial data right here, that their revenue is actually increasing from 5% all the way to 35.6%. So it's increasing quarter by quarter, year by year. So that's the number that you literally, the main number you want to look at, and make sure a startup company, their revenues are growing as much as as fast as they can, and you want to make sure the expense are as low as possible. Okay, I mean, you can see they still have a large operation loss right here, which is it's normal for the startup e-commerce. They are burning cash in the beginning, right? So so they have negative income. I mean, they have negative EBITDA. It's normal for a e-commerce startup, but as long we see it decreasing, that's a good sign. Okay, let's talk about e-commerce. I mean, this EBITDA is is still decreasing. I mean, start getting better. The negative cash flow coming out is start decreasing. So that's better. That's actually a good sign. You know what I mean? So you see, JMIA pay 106. Over 100% growth. This is the number you want to see. Monetizations. This 38%. That's great. This is the number you want to look at. Cost efficiency. They cut so much cost right here. This is what you want to look at. You don't want to see a company increase their operating costs every single quarter or year. Okay, this all talk about marketing efficiencies and all that. This is still talk about Alipay. I mean, not Alipay, the JMIA pay. Okay. This is all about GNA and all that. Okay, so this is something that that you guys want to look at, from the investor presentations when you look at the fundamental. So, when you look at the EBITDA, over here, it's getting better, right? Negative, but it's getting better than last time. Okay, so okay, guys, let's look at the technical. Okay, the technical is over here that I draw out a ABCD pattern for you guys. So if you guys are not too familiar with chart patterns, so this one pattern is called ABCD patterns. So okay, so I Google it for you guys to look to understand what it is. Okay, so ABCD pattern. So B is the risk level, and A over here is the breakout level. Okay, guys. So when you see the A right here, so I draw out this right here, A right here, right? Okay, this is the breakout level. Okay, so over here breaking out to D, and usually this, when you get like, majority of our team at the Discord, we get in somewhere around $13 to $15. So we got in before the breakout area. Okay, guys. So we sell into this part right here, D right here. Okay, so if you guys asking me about should we getting in right now at $40, I might say let's wait for the pullback. Okay, guys, because we are the one that's selling in, selling the shares around this price already. Like by 10%, 20%, 30%, or whatever you want to do. Okay, so so when you see the D sections right here, up to D, what's going on, right? Up to D, usually up to D might be a sell off or a pullback. Okay, so this is what the ABC pattern usually happens. Okay, guys, usually that people take profit, after the breakout to D, usually people take profit. So so I would say it is gonna be the Amazon for Africa, but I would wait for the pullback. I would wait for the pullback in this range before I get in. Okay, guys, yeah, it's $100 start as everybody else talk about, but definitely not the price level that I want to jump into right now. Okay, guys, but keep an eye on it though. Keep an eye on it though. So see what's the best price you can get in here. Okay, sounds good. Okay, the next one I'm going to talk about is Rich. This one I'm just going to go over it real quick. And this one right here is that IPO not too long ago is from the US. And, as you can see, I do not mess with IPO that much in the first couple, weeks before IPO. Usually it's going to be pulling back. So this one right here, pull back right here. And at the support level at, $17. So this is the level that I'm looking at to add small positions. So hopefully you're going to, have some buy volume, kick back to 100 EMAs right here that that's going to be a bullish signals right here. You see MACD causing out, oversold, coming back in on the RSI. So this is the signal that I want to see, that I want to add the small positions on this risk right here. And let's check out the website. Yeah, everything they sell is cheap, guys. Everything they sell is so cheap that it's ridiculous, right? You sell it dollars, $2, $17. I mean, this is like cheaper than eBay. Okay, guys, go check it out. I mean, I'm not users on this one. I'm not a customers from Rich, and but it's the US company. Definitely go check it out, guys. And definitely put this one on your watch list because IPO, not too long ago, and the current market cap is 10 billion, and this could be another big e-commerce. And I don't have that much financial data yet, but based on what I'm looking at, the technical analysis, is at a pretty good price, to add some small positions right here. Okay, guys. Okay, next one. The next one's OZON. This is the Russian, this is the Russian e-commerce. Just IPO, also not too long ago. Okay, the Amazon in Russia. So you look at their website, pretty similar to Amazon, but it's but everything is in Russian. So, okay, and check out their Wikipedia. If you want to look into it, looking more into their histories. And I mean, 23 years old company, pretty well known in Russia. It's called referred to as the Amazon of Russia. Okay, and talk about how great it does during the pandemic and all that. Okay, so I mean, you see the financial performance is increasing, good amount percentage. Okay, so year by year. So definitely put definitely keep eyes on this right here. And it's still trading at a range that it's still holding at the $41 support right here. So make sure that if I would want to get into before I see like a reversal. Okay, so this is still looks like try to touch the support and break a little bit lower. So but it looks like trading within this $41 to $45 range. Okay, guys. Okay, the next one is the BTWN, and this is another SPAC that everybody's talking about. Everybody's talking about it lately, because this one right here is a SPAC that looking for e-commerce or big tech companies that the management's actually is pretty it's pretty well known, right? So billionaires from Hong Kong, this Rich Lee, and this this Peter guy used to be the co-founder of PayPal. Yeah, PayPal. And everybody based on the management team, and everyone really in love with this with this SPAC. And and they have the rumors merger with Tokopedia, which is one of the Indonesian big huge e-commerce. Check out their website. Check out their website. It's pretty similar, right? It's similar to like Amazon, and this is already like real established company. This is not a just like couple years startup. This is already established, a big tech company. Okay, guys, but this one right here still you know, it's still a rumor. But even a rumor, this thing shot up to like, gosh, it shot up to like over $20. You know, just not too long ago. You know, it's just like a week ago, or you know, a week or two ago. Okay, guys, definitely keep eyes on this one. And you know, I would believe that once the LOI or the definite agreement come out with the, you know, with the, you know, with the target, and to confirm that's the company that they actually gonna merge with, this thing gonna be skyrocket. You know, so that's just let you guys know I'm really bullish on this one. Okay, you know, based on based on the SPAC management team, this thing doesn't matter the rumor is true or not. You know, they're gonna find something that is gonna be, you know, very very valuable. Okay, so but you know, but at this price range, you know, not too cheap, because you're paying 50% of the, you know, like the, you know, you're paying 50% more on the floor price of $10, and it's also not expensive, right? At the same time, right? Because they having a big chance to merge with one of the biggest, you know, e-commerce, you know, companies in Asia. So, you know, but I would definitely, I mean, I have some position in here, but I would not add anything at $15 range. If you don't have any positions at all, $15 to add a small size of positions, you know, it's not too bad, you know. So um, also, I'm not a financial, you know, advisor, you know, you know, take a look at you know, the technical analysis and fundamental analysis and make a decision on your own. Okay, guys, you know, I just gonna give you guys, you know, my own opinions on what I think all those e-commerce and what's gonna be going on the 2021. Okay, guys, and looks like that's pretty much it for today. And what do you guys think? Are you guys exciting for 2021 and all those e-commerce possibilities? Gonna be the next Amazon. Amazon is too expensive right now, right, guys? You're like, I missed the boat, but it's okay, guys. You know, we have so many we have so many e-commerce could be the next Amazon. Please, you know, subscribe and give me a like and give me a thumbs up at the end. And see you guys next time.